Welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on one of my guild mates from the Erin Village Quilters. Her name is Lily, and this is a charity quilt to go to a hospice where her daughter was at, and she's just given back. So this is a good size. It's 96 by 80. It's a fair beautiful project. I wanted to really show you the scrappiness of all the blocks, and it is foundation pieced. This is the fabric that is actually in the center here of the white wedge is the piece that's getting built off of. So you don't need separate pieces. You can just build off of this one. You just go row by row by row, and away you go. Maybe I can get up to the small camera and you can see a little bit here. Let's see if I can. Okay. See how this is just the background, and then they've just sewed the pieces on and then flipped and flipped and flipped to get to the block, and then you can square it out to whatever piece size you like. I thought that's amazing. Great scrap buster. And then you have that beautiful solid that comes to meets all the blocks together with that, you know, with the diamond piece, and I think it looks lovely. So we've chose to do, she liked this one that has a heart and a flower stitch out on it, and of course I chose to do it a little bit bigger for this project just because it is a bigger project. And yeah, it's coming together. A lovely butterfly and green flower with yellow. You'll probably be able to see it on the small camera when it comes back around a little bit. And lovely backing. So we're just finishing it up. This is halfway done. This is the halfway row here. And we're going to let Walt get some work done. But it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And just white thread. So not to complicate anything, not to take anything away from the beautiful scrappiness of the quilt. I didn't want to pick like a specific color, and I believe she said just use white. So, you know, choose what matches the quilt, and I think the white matches perfectly. So it's got some lovely fabrics in here. It's just lovely to look at. The little pink with the little flower paisley over here is absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love that one all the way around here. So as much as we hate to lose our loved ones, but it's nice to know that they're taken care of in a place where they have a homemade quilt made for them. It's being given to them, the family, you know, they get to keep it afterwards, so on and so forth. So that's always nice to know and be able to help partake in too. So again, when it comes to charity quilts for my guild mates of the Erin Village Quilters, I don't charge them for the quilting. If they need batting, then I just charge them for batting, and that's it. So. This is quilt number 3 that we have, or 4. The 4 actually, because we did Joanne's, we did Myrtle's, which the 3, and Christy and Cindy's, all 3 hugs for Nova Scotia. Actually, where is that one? Hold on. Oh, here it is. Yeah, let me show you how the one for Christy and Cindy's turned out. It's quite lovely. Hopefully you get a chance to see it. Okay. Is that beautiful? Did I use the heart the right way? Did it the right way? No, I didn't. Okay, here we go. But the back was so busy with the pattern, I just didn't think a whole cloth stitch out was going to help in anywhere of those white spots. So I just used a heart and swirl stitch. And I think that looks really nice. It goes very well with the quilt. So well done, ladies. Well done. Yeah, actually, I was just waiting for them to come pick it up. So, yeah, some beautiful, beautiful fabrics here. I'll just pop this on the desk. And as you can see, I'm wearing our Team Cheese shirts. Very excited. Munchkin's very excited. He actually said it was very interesting feeling seeing something that he has drawn and come to art be on a t-shirt, you know. So that was super special. I'm glad we can make that happen for him. Yeah, love, oh, that's beautiful fabric right there. See, and you can really bust your scraps. They're not all the same size. There's no matching up here at all except for the angle of the points and, you know, here and here. But as for the strips of how you get from A to B, that doesn't matter. You can do tiny ones, you can do big ones, you can even do it as a flip of color. Like this could be like a pink and that could be a blue or something, you know. It would make a lovely overall look to the quilt no matter what. That is awesome. Love that fabric. A little lumpy to bumpy there on the seam. And that's another thing you have to be aware of when you're using like a stabilizing fabric and you're sewing on top of that, and then you're putting those pieces all together, and that's like, you know, 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces of fabric all trying to come together in one section. That's a lot. Very pretty. And I'm happy we can help here at the Mama Pop Quilt Shop too, be able to give back to our community and to the people who make that extra effort to make things for charity. We want to be able to try and help out as well. So. And I don't use always just simple stitch outs for edge to edge. You've seen me do the more complicated ones. You've seen me hand do them and ruler work them. So it just seems to what appeals to the quilt the most, I think. And she did want this stitch out. She liked it before, so on another quilt. Those are pretty purples. And it's interesting how you color coordinate. Like this is very much in a rainbow sort of fashion. But what if you did like a variegated in sizes and colors, right? So, or you take in all your shades of blues and then shades of pinks, and I like how it's stitching it. When it stitches the flower, it's like a very unique flower every single time because of the different fabrics involved in it. Very nice. So this Saturday coming up, it will be June 30th. 27th. Sorry, June 27th. We are having a 12-hour live stream from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And we're happy to see you there and hanging out with us. Pop and I think Munchkin's going to help out making pizza, and I'm going to make the dough beforehand. We'll kind of split up the day on what's going what and who's going to go where, and everybody will have a job, and we'll be just chucking along and having a good time with all of you who come and hang out with us. So we're very much looking forward to that. Beautiful, beautiful fabrics. Don't know what to do with that tiny little strip left over? Save it. We'll put it on one of these beautiful quilts. And I mean, it's big. It's big. I laid it out as it would lay on the bed. Just because I wasn't quite exactly sure what was going to fit where and how I wanted to stitch things out, but I like the way this one, it's turning out this way for sure. So, but beautiful, yeah. Take a look at that one more time. Beautiful colors. And I like this, use everything. Solids, patterns, lights, darks. I don't think I've seen any Christmas fabric. I think or any like, you know, seasonal, either be Easter or whatever, or Halloween. So I think it's just of all, you know, non-seasonal fabrics. Beautiful. Beautiful collection, though. It makes you wonder how many, like, she's got a lot in her stash. Or she did at one point in time. That's beautiful fabric, too. Love those colors together right there. Gives me ideas for future projects. Oh, looks like grapes. I was going to say, I almost thought that was holly there, but it's grapes, I think. So. Absolutely beautiful. That's beautiful, too. And I didn't do anything different. I just went edge to the quilt, to the edge of the quilt, including the border that she had going on here. She didn't say she wanted anything different in it, so I just figured we'd just do this. It looks beautiful because you catch a flower or heart or, you know, a circle every now and again. All right, let Walt finish his little stitch out there. He's almost done. He's got a little bit to go here. Want to thank everybody who likes and subscribes to our channel. We really do appreciate it, and we appreciate your company and just hanging out with us, and even just being a number in the chat. You don't always have to say anything. We know you're there, so send a big hugs. And I can't wait to see if anybody has any beautiful projects like this, that you've done it. I don't think I have. I'm trying to remember through the long bits of quilts that I have. I don't think I've actually foundationed something like this. I mean, it would be interesting to try it. I'm thinking I might. So I think it would be a great scrap buster. I think it also would make very nice with the, I guess, Christmas quilts. I'm all about the Christmas guy. I like Christmas. Christmas is one of my favorite seasons, as well as Halloween. So even Halloween, you could maybe use this white as a glow-in-the-dark fabric or something like that. Or, you know, there's many possibilities you can come up with, and then just have a whole collage of Halloween fabrics, and or greens and oranges and purples and so on and so forth. All the colors that seem to, for you, make up Halloween. All right. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Enjoy the day, and we will see you on the weekend project, as well as for 12 hours on the Saturday. Take care, everybody. Big hugs. See you soon.